Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to upload video on LinkedIn. Go to your LinkedIn account. Click on Media right here. Click on Upload from Computer. Choose the video file you want to upload. And then click on Post. Wait for a few moments while LinkedIn is uploading your video. And that is basically how it is. I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!